Should a malfunction occur, the incinerator will shift to cooling. We will now go through these alarms one by one. The most common reason for a flame failure is lack of oil supply. Check that diesel oil is led to the incinerator and that the return pipe is open. Also check that there is oil pressure on the burner by reading the pressure gauge, which should read 10 to 12 bar. If everything is in order, the next step is to check the condition of the burner. Dismantle the burner as explained in the service section and clean filter and check ignition electrodes and ignition cables. Inspect the diesel oil nozzle. Also clean the flame detector for possible soot and the condition of it and replace if required. If you have a flame failure on the sludge burner, check the temperature of the oil sludge. This has to be minimum around 60 to 70 degrees Celsius. Also, you must evaluate whether the sludge circulation pump and sludge dosing pump stators are worn and need replacement. The most common reason for this type of alarm is that too much waste or waste with a too high calorific value has been loaded into the incinerator. To fix this, let the waste burn out for approximately half an hour. Then restart the incinerator and reduce the waste loading into the incinerator. Another reason for the alarm can be that the thermocouple is defect. So remember to check the thermocouple and replace it if you find it to be damaged. The main reason for this type of alarm is that the air intake to the primary blower has been stopped by a foreign object. If you get this alarm, you should therefore inspect the air intake and remove possible foreign objects. This type of alarm comes up when one of the circuit breakers has tripped. To fix this, you should first check the circuit breakers and the motors for condition. If everything is found to be in order, reset the circuit breaker and try to restart the incinerator. The incinerator should always be operated with a vacuum in the combustion chamber. If this is not the case, this alarm will come on. If too much waste has been loaded into the combustion chamber, a lot of flue gases will be generated and it is difficult to maintain the vacuum. To build up the vacuum again, do not feed in more waste, but let the waste burn out the next half an hour and restart the incinerator. You can also try to open the damper on the mixing chamber. This can in many cases increase the vacuum. Finally, you can check the opening of the air nozzles. Closing these with one turn clockwise will increase the vacuum. This alarm comes when the temperature in the funnel system is higher than expected. A frequent reason for this alarm is that the thermocouple in the funnel is faulty. To fix this, find and replace the faulty thermocouple. Another reason can be that the calorific value of the waste is too high. The way to solve this is by reducing the loading of waste into the incinerator. Finally, a different approach to overcoming this problem is to add more cooling air to the flue gases. This can be done by opening the air nozzles in the secondary chamber.